Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General. And there is a little bit of deals out here, but, if you want to skip this week, sometimes it's good. Then, if you don't, then, hey, try to put a deal together. So it is what it is with these deals out here. But first, I want to send a prayer out to Louisiana, New Orleans, and everywhere else that is affected by this storm. Now we are... As of yesterday, we had got some rain, and we got a little bit today where I live at. But, just send a prayer out to everyone I just want to send a prayer out to everyone who was affected in this bad storm. All right. So the first thing I got was the Colgate. These Colgate 3 value pack are $4 each. There is a $6 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching to the value pack. So I got the triple action. Okay. Then I actually got the baking soda and peroxide whitening. I think there's one more. I think it's called Cavity. Also. So that $6 off of 2, that is a good thing for those toothpaste. So this is a good freebie. Well, not freebie, but this is a good stock up price for anyone that's just now starting to do couponing. You can get your little value packs up. All right. The next thing is the Airwick warmer. Okay. The Airwick warmer are $3. No, I'm sorry. They are $3.35. I had $1.50 off digital coupon that is attaching to this product. Y'all, it's good to get up and get you some good old warmers that can smell good. And I'm thinking, let's see, what's the name of this? This is Hawaii. This is like a staple. It's a staple that always is in the stores. Okay. The next thing and the last thing is the Febreze Air. These Febreze Air, they are $3 each. There is a $3 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching to this product. Okay. So to me, it's like a buy one, get one free because they $3 each. So you're still paying $3 because of the digital coupon 3 off of 2. Okay. So yeah, everything rung up good. All the prices was great. The digitals came off like they were supposed to. My subtotal was $6.85. Yes, $6.85. And everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. All right. So there's the Colgate. The value pack is $4. Then there's the digital. It came off the $6 off of 2. Then there's the Febreze. $3, and that's the spray. And then the other Febreze, $3. And then there's the digital $3 Febreze Air. Then the Airwick oil, which is $3.35. $1.50 came off. And then there's the other Colgate 3-pack, $4. There's my subtotal, $6.85. Everybody's tax is different. Look at my total savings. My total savings is $10.50. Now, if you want to, you can use this in a 5 off of 25 on Saturday. Or like I said, you can go out and do these deals now because of these stores not having the products on Saturdays, which I understand. That's why I try to use my digitals. And then on one account, I just use that mainly for the 5 off of 25 that I can have. And then there's no 5 off of 25 for next week that I know of, you know, hopefully we'll get a digital. But you know how that goes. We won't know until Sunday. And y'all, last Sunday, I didn't receive my digitals until late. Late. I usually get them in the mornings, like by the time I wake up before 9 o'clock. But I did not get my digitals. When I mean late, y'all, it was late. It was like maybe something to 6 in the afternoon, in the evening rather, when I got my digitals. I was like, you know what? Something ain't right. Why are they doing this? Are they just shooting it out to certain people or what? But y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul. Just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.